I'm not even gonna lie, I'm getting ready to have a girls' night out and your girl has had a few drinks, so excuse my behavior. I tried. What's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I got this super simple glam makeup look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so excuse me if I'm a little lit in this video, but we're going to go ahead and jump into it. So I'm going to go ahead and do a wing liner. I was going to do the face first, but I'm like, no, let's go ahead and just do this eye, because the eye is not going to be nothing at all, you guys. Like, it's not going to be a whole lot at all. Of course, I'm just taking my Jordana liquid liner. I love this eyeliner, and I'm going to go ahead and create me a wing. This is pretty fierce. Like, it's pretty fleeky and very, very thick. I love me a good wing liner, honey, but when I'm telling you, when I'm doing it, I need silence. Like, nothing. Everything needs to stop. Because, honey, my wing liner has to be damn near perfect. So that is pretty much it for the eyes. So moving on to lashes. I'm going to be using these Aliexpress lashes, and these are the D108s. I know some of you guys mentioned to me in my last video that I should do an Aliexpress. Well, I asked you guys what you thought about it, so some of you guys said yes. So I think if I can find my tweezers, got them. So I think if I, what was I saying? I don't know. But anyways, I will have time to film a video of some lashes that I have. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pop on these lashes and then I'll be back. Okay, so lashes are on, and y'all, mink lashes can sometimes be the hardest to put on, like especially if the lash band is super thick. So that's something that you really have to watch out for. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face, and I'm using the Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer. You guys see I finally opened my full size one. Y'all remember that little travel size one I used to use all the time? Like, I love this primer, but I finally got a chance to open the bigger one. So let's just talk about fall and how happy I am that it's fall. But it does not feel like fall at all, you guys. Especially here in Alabama, like, it does not feel like fall at all. Like, it still is hot as hell. I just don't know what the weather is doing. I cannot believe that it feels like this in October. Like, it's crazy. So for foundation, I am going to be using my Estee Lauder Double Wear, and you guys, look, I finally got a pump on this foundation. Like, I am so happy. I did not really want to spend $10 on the pump because the foundation is already expensive as hell. But I was like, you know what? This is going to make my life so much easier, and look how easy that was. You see what I'm saying? So I was like, you know what? I really need to get this. And I'm so glad that I got it. You guys are really going to have to excuse me for today's video because I'm literally all over the place. But I am getting ready to go out. So, honey, we got to have fun. We got to get lit. And I feel like I'm starting to get my color back a little bit. Like, every time I apply foundations, I'm like, oh my god, this is so orange. But once it's blended out, it looks really good. And things that are really like yellow and orangish kind of sometimes really work out for my skin. Because if you think about it, I'm a little darker around my mouth area. So it almost just color corrects itself like the foundation. So I love using foundation that has its undertone in it. That's why I love my Fenty foundation. And I love my Lauder. My Lauder is the OG. Like, if you've been rocking with me for a minute, you already know how much I love this foundation. It felt like I just used a whole lot, but I really didn't, because my makeup for work is very simple, you guys. So yeah, I'm feeling a little extra right now. And of course, we got to blend out that unibrow. Lately, my under eyes have been like super dry. So I'm using Maybelline Fit Me for concealer. This concealer is very light in coverage, and it is very I don't want to say dewy or anything, but it's not as matte as some of my other favorites that I would like to use right now. But like I said, my skin is just pretty much doing its own thing. Like, it's dry in areas that is normally oily in. Like, I don't know if it's hormones, I don't know if my body's just changing. Like, honey, my skin, everything just need to work itself out and get itself together, because I don't know what's been going on lately. I guess as women, sometimes our bodies just do what they want, don't they? And then, because I do like coverage with this concealer, I tend to let it set for a little bit before I blend it out, just so I can make sure I'm getting enough coverage. Because it is a light coverage concealer, and it's also not as matte. So I need to make sure I'm getting coverage, honey. Guys, like, even on the sides of my nose, like, my skin has been crazy. So once I have that all blended out, I'm going to be using my black Opal setting powder. I love this powder as well. Sometimes my other powders, like my Sacha and my Laura Mercier, can be kind of dry underneath the eyes, but I have not used Sacha Buttercup powder in forever. Like, it's been a real hot minute. But even my Laura Mercier has been kind of drying to my under eyes. And then, of course, you guys already know I'm taking my black Radiance powder, and I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose a little bit. And then for powder, I'm going to be taking my black Radiance Soft Focus powder. You guys, please point me to the nearest new powder. Like, I know you guys are so over me using this powder like crazy, but I just love this powder so much. Like, it's so beautiful on the skin. But y'all, like, put me on something new. Like, your girl needs something new. I even thought about trying the Fenty Beauty powder to see how I would like that. But girl, y'all tell me what y'all use, because I know y'all tired of me using it, but I cannot get enough of that powder. Like, no matter how much I buy higher end foundations or whatever, honey, like that powder, woo, skin just be looking so flawless, honey. So I'm going to be using this e.l.f. bronzer. I don't know if this bronzer is discontinued. I think it's still on the site, maybe just not in stores. But y'all, I love this bronzer so much. Anyways, it's been a minute since I've used it, so I'm like, you know what, let's go ahead and use this today. I loved how soft and how subtle it is. Then, sticking with e.l.f., I'm going to go ahead and use this blush. And this blush is in brick red. And I believe this is also $3 from e.l.f. Y'all better get y'all some e.l.f., honey. Look at that. Look at e.l.f. Look at e.l.f. e.l.f. is showing out, honey. I still haven't gotten a chance to try the concealer, but I'm scared with my skin now that it's probably going to be too matte. Okay, let me not go blush crazy. I'm just getting tongue twisted. I told y'all, honey. This video can go left real quick at this moment. At any point, at any time. That blush is just so beautiful. That's pretty. Alright, and then for highlighter. Oh, wait, what is that called? I forgot. I don't know, but I like doing it. When I hear a song, I'll be like, Wait. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but y'all get what I'm trying to do. The Whoa, that's what it's called. Whoa, yes, that's what it's called. Okay, so we got our highlighter right here. This is by Covergirl. I've used this before and I love it. Like this color in the shade, everything. I meant this color in the middle is everything, y'all. Let me hurry up and get this done, because it's turning ugly real quick. It's getting real ugly up in here. Oh, and it's just so pigmented. My goodness gracious. I need all the glow I can get. My skin is just doing what it wants. This is so pretty. Very pretty. And so golden. Like so yummy. So I'm going to take this one right here. Let's try this one. And I'm just going to kind of put this right on top of it. Just to kind of brighten it a little bit. Oh yeah, that's pretty too. Ooh, and let's get some on that Cupid's bow. So let's go ahead and spray the face. I gotta get the spray. I'll be back. So this is just the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And I'm just gonna go ahead. It's so funny because in this video, like, I'm a little lit. But it's so funny and it's so hard trying to act normal right now. So, because everything is not normal right now. So let's go ahead and spray the face. I am just glowing, honey. And that was really, really refreshing. So, for my lip liner, I'm actually rocking this lipstick by Anastasia. This one is in the color Nude. And it's nude, clearly. Trying to see where I'm going with this, though. I think I'm going to take this lip liner. It's by NYX. It's in Downtown Beauty, I think. Or is this Downtown Beauty? Yes. It's basically like a cork, a dupe for cork. I am just all over the place. I can't even talk. So I can't even believe I literally just finished doing my lips, but I didn't even finish my eyes, y'all. What is going on? So to finish my eyes, I'm taking this Wet n Wild Color Icon liner, and this one is the nude one, calling your buff. Yeah, that's crazy. Okay, so that was extremely dangerous to be doing at this very moment. So we're going to go ahead and take this palette right here. And this is just the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Oh my goodness. This is really, really pretty like this. Like, I have doll eyes, honey. Ooh, this is super, super pretty. I really like this. But I didn't plan on leaving it like this. But this is so damn pretty. I don't even know what to do at this point. Okay, let me carry on. So I'm going to go ahead and take this green shade right here and maybe mix it with some of this shade. I'm going to put this on my waterline. So I'm basically putting it right on top of that white nudish liner. You guys, I was so nervous doing that. Like, my whole heart is literally beating. About to beat out of my chest. And then I'm just going to take some of this hunter green right here. And I'm taking a smudger brush. And I'm just going to go right underneath the bright green. Maybe I should do my makeup like this more often, huh? Alright, anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara to my top and bottom lashes. And of course, this is my favorite Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is just gorgeous. But you know we are not finished. Let me be careful because this mascara is not dry, honey. Alright, we safe. So I'm going to go ahead and top it off with this lip gloss right here. And this lip gloss was featured in my lip gloss collection video. And this is the Colourpop. This is the Colourpop So Juicy plumping lip gloss. And this is in the shade Beachwood. It's so pretty. And I'm just going to fill in my mold. So I'm basically trying to figure out these lips right now, you guys, because they just blend in with everything. Like, it's nothing to really make them pop, but I kind of like it in a crazy way. But I think I'm going to add some of this Club Hopper lip liner. Just to kind of help my lips stand out a little bit more. So this is pretty much the final finished look. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And if you like the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang. That's pretty much it. Remember to be blessed and follow your dreams. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.